student. Okay. So, first step is what we have? Database. From database, what we created? Universe. After the universe is created, where you have to go? You start the class, okay? Which will create a XML structures, which will help us to create real-time reports. For example, okay, in our web page, HTML web page website, we have already some templates are ready. When the data will come, the cricket score, etc., on demand, they will populate data. Who are the carriers? XML. Okay. When your XML carriers are there, the data will be what? Ad hoc, and it is what? On demand. Okay. Rather than from the database. Same thing. Now we are going to create. We are going to create XML structures. On demand, the data will populate to the xcelsius dashboard. Okay. Which one? New query. Some name. My first xcelsius. Next. Year. State. Notice one. Simple. I'm running a query. Okay. On this. Preview. Okay. And publish. I'm creating. I got some URL. This is my WSTL. What is one? WSTL. So this is my container structure where the data is there for what? Year, state, on demand. The data from ERP system will come to this container and will show on the dashboard. State, then what? Sales revenue. Okay. Now this is my xcelsius dashboard. Okay. So go to xcelsius. What do you do? xcelsius. Data, see, data, connections. This is called what manager? Data manager. Written or not? Data. What is one? See, first option. Queries, web service, paste the URL. Sorry. Paste the URL. Click on import. Now what do you written? Three options. Input, see this one. Input. What is the class login we give? Administrator. Class, when you created class. Password, I didn't give anything. Clear? Now data, what is the data is there? Year, state. Now year, I want to populate from here. 1 to how much? 10. State. Sales revenue 1 to clear? Just I'm giving random the 10 values. Okay. Okay. Other next see. So first you have done login password. Then you selected which option? Year A1 to A10. State B1 to sales revenue C1 to C. What is the option? I don't refresh for every. See, I give 8 seconds. So map. Now is there any data? Because on demand the data should come. I want to show you with the help of a component called, what is the component? Spreadsheet. Should spreadsheet. Display data. From where? A, B, C. Data is there till where? Suppose if the data is less than 10 and in the behavior you have to select what? Ignore what? When do you get blank cells? If you select the whole column, whole Excel sheet, then only till 8 is the value is there. Remaining it will what? Ignore. Now preview. After 8 seconds the data will come. Correct? So data is getting populated, getting on every 8 seconds sessions. This is question A. What is question B? So same spreadsheet, it should show, if you click on button A, it should show year, state, and what? This is for button A. And button B, if you click, it should show year, city, and what? Sales. So how many classes have to get? One for this and one for this. So again I am creating a class. Query, new, some name. A is what? Year, state, and what? Sales revenue. Publish. This is one. Another query I am creating. How many queries? Now I have to go to xcelsius. Data. What? Class. This is for one. I'm selecting first one. AS data. Okay. Paste. What do you do? What is the login? Here, state and what? Don't give a usage option, okay? Just close. Another URL. Again, connections. One more what? Plus. Now you have to put connection. Now you have to go to D. Copy this one. Understanding now? So two URLs you have to map separately. This is for connection. So again, import login. On the same thing, I am superimposing here. Okay. Now I can select two buttons. What is one? Web connectivity. The first button, that's what we call as what? A. Another refresh button I call as what? How many buttons are there? 2. Spreadsheet. Okay, so A to C, again what behavior, what do you have to select? Oh, sorry. How many buttons are there? For this, what I have to select? And for B, what I have to select? For A, I selected what? Connection 1. For B, I selected what? This is state value. You have to give the labels, okay? Statement. Here you can give the labels. First row you can give the labels. Okay? So based upon the selection of the buttons on demand, the data is getting. So this is the example of what with the